Whanaungatanga sits at the heart of the fantastic mahi that Te Hau Āwhiowhio or Otangarei Trust does. In this close-knit whangarei community, a community with a proud and distinctive identity of its own.
Te Hau Āwhiowhio Otangarei Trust have been providing awhi and support in the community now for 31 years. The kaupapa whānau started the trust. They were a part of this community. They lived here. They had a young family. And through having a young family, they realised that there are other young people in the community that needed awhi and support. Came out of a need. It was servicing a need with our young people. And they actually started a community gym in their garage. That's how the concept of the trust came about. And really it grew from there. Te Hau Āwhiowhio Otangarei Trust is made up of two primary services. One is hauora, and we have a social service. Secondary to that is our youth services. So we've got a big team of really dynamic people that facilitate our youth division. Really it's about building resilience, maintaining that and ensuring that we can have a future. And it's about being able to dream big and achieve those dreams and aspirations.